If your pool filter is clogged, knowing how to backwash sand or diatomaceous earth filters, clean cartridge filters, or replace filter media is the key to crystal clear water without breaking a sweat. Alright, so first up, if you have a sand or diatomaceous earth filter, backwashing is your best friend. You just gotta turn the valve to backwash and run the pump until the water runs clear. Usually about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to rinse right after backwashing to settle the sand or DE back in place. For cartridge filters, it's all about taking them out and giving them a good spray with a hose, making sure you get between all those pleats. If they're looking pretty rough or worn out, swapping them out with new cartridges can save you tons of headache. Now, if your sand feels gritty or DE powder looks super thin, it's time to replace that media. Usually every 3 to 5 years. Also, keep an eye on pressure gauges. If it's higher than usual, that's a sign your filter needs some TLC. Doing this stuff regularly means your pool stays sparkling without you stressing over it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool filters is skipping backwash or cleaning when the pressure gets high, which just makes the clog worse and can damage your system. Fix it by sticking to a routine and never ignoring pressure spikes. Another common issue is not replacing sand or DE media when it's time, so the filter stops working properly. Just remember to swap media every few years to keep things running smooth. Lastly, some folks forget to rinse after backwashing, which leaves dirty water in the filter and messes up the next filtration cycle. Always rinse for at least 30 seconds to avoid that problem. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills.